How to set a custom ringtone on your iPad. So this can be really useful if you want to go and use your own song or a custom song for your ringtone. Now to do this, you need to load up an internet browser and first make sure you've downloaded the song that you want to use as your ringtone. Now I like to use a website called Pixabay, and this is a website that allows you to download royalty-free music. Now once you've downloaded your song, you can either click on Downloads in the internet browser and you should be able to find your song from here. Alternatively, head over to your iPad home screen. You could then use the search box to type in Files and go and locate your song from the Files app. You'll then need to hold your finger down on the song you want to use as the ringtone. Click on the Share button and select Use as Ringtone. Now just bear in mind that your song needs to be under 30 seconds in length. So if it's over 30 seconds, you can go and trim this down by using a free website. The one that I like to use is audiotrimmer.com, and this lets you upload your song and trim it down to under 30 seconds. So if I come back over to the Files app, and now when I select Use as Ringtone, you can see it will take me over to the ringtone settings and it will automatically select that soundtrack as your new ringtone.